Hey, what's up, y'all? Been a long little video, haven't uploaded in a while. Got some new merch. Got that bag from Bape. I thought it was such a dope bag. And yeah, everybody needs to grab one of these and put in the collection, because if you like to travel, it's a quick, throw some things in there and you out and about. But not just trying to make this video too long. Trying out this new 4K on this iPhone 13 Pro. As you see, Lanvin or Lanvin, whichever. Receipt, dust bags. I've seen a couple people do unboxings, but you've seen one, you pretty much seen them all. I got sorry for the bad entrance and unboxing energy, but I had got these. I think these are more of a forest green, but as you can see, the it factor is pretty much the laces, fat tongue. So, and this 4K is really amazing. Oh my god. But yeah, this is the Lanvin sneakers. Skater inspired. If you know the D3s, I think they are. These definitely came from that era. And D3 or the DC sneakers, same energy. Got some Supreme stuff here. Got the Crow tee. What made me like this tee was I'm actually taking things out the bag. I know the graphic was fire, but this is what really made me want this t-shirt. All right, I'm gonna show it to you guys. All right, so it says pain, fear, irony, despair, death. Supreme, which is literally what we live every day right now. But got that little Uzi tee, that HumanMade joint. I don't know if you're able to get one. Hope you did, because this is a really dope tee to add to anybody's collection. Let me try to yank it out. You can see it. And I'm getting ready for work. So, yo, the quality of this camera is amazing. And you can see the little diamond in there. Fast fire. I got this in a large. Yeah, got that in a large. And I think that's pretty much everything. I got my essential stuff. These are the pants. And don't listen to anybody, all right? Because I wear XL in most of my things, and they're like size down and all this other stuff. I'm like, I'm not doing that. As you can see, I'm really like slow trying to unbox this damn bag. And I think I just closed it with my stupid self, but all right, let's check this. Yo, I really hate this bag. Hold on. All right, there we go. So these are the pants. Yeah, I got these are let's see it here. And this is a raw unboxing. This is like, and I got them from Essence. Yeah, so I got this in an XL. They were like size down, get an X, get a large. I'm like, not doing that. And I got the shorts. I think this bag is already open. Nope, not open. Right. Hold on. I should have took these things out of the bag before I started filming, but yeah. But these are the essential shorts. These are like really dope. I know short season's over, but you can never go wrong. I mean, getting on the plane. Yeah, this is probably not plane attire, but it's a good vibe. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. Yeah, pants are really hella comfortable. I can't wait to wear these. And that's everything. I'm out. Thank you for watching.